after when we get to our destination. Bye for now. Hi, Sir Gray. Bye, Sir Gray. Have a safe flight to you, Sir Gray. And hope that I could able to reach out to you. I hope to see you in my next live. Thank you very much, Sir Gray. Hi, thank you very much. I hope you're still here. And have a safe flight to you. I'm gonna be cooking my my egg here. And I'm gonna be cooking eggs. So, ayan. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Sir Graham. Have a safe flight. Thank you so much, everyone. So I'm just going to cook, yung ano lang, just egg and hot dog. Very typical. Thank you so much, Sir Graham. Thank you so much for the conversation. Thank you so much for the chat. And also to Sir Madakal Pramod here. And Solidad. Thank you guys. Thank you so much for staying here in my live. I really appreciate that from you. Andito pa rin po ako. Thank you so much, Solidad. I know you're still there. I know. And to all my new viewers, kids are kids. You're still, Mr. Gray, still here. Kids are kids. Chat soon. Bye for now. Yes, bye for now also, Sir Gray. Have a safe flight. Have a safe flight, Sir Gray, and God bless you. God bless you, Sir Gray. Safe flight. Says, have a safe flight to you. No, it's a long flight, guys. You know, because he's in Switzerland right now, and he will going to have a stopover in Rome, and then he will from Rome, then heading to Tokyo. It's a long ride. It's a long flight. So, ayan.